game played by a little boy. I watched him as he grew. He's not the same. What could have made him change? I really wish I knew. Look around, little boy. Go where you want to go. Look ahead, little boy. As you grow, you'll surely come to know that life is a game played by the strangest rules, most of them made by fools. But you are not to blame, little boy. Little boy.
Let's head for the fort. Do you see anything? Nothing. I don't see anything, too. Peter, I'm gonna charge. Don't move. I'll save you. Let's go home, or we'll be late for supper. Oh, Peter.
Peter, what are you going to do now? I'm going to Canada. My passport to freedom. A one-way ticket to Vancouver.
You'll never be allowed to come back. You'll be in exile.
I'd rather be an exile than a murderer. You can come stay with me, Summers. Christmas, maybe. That's more than you could do if I was in the army. Or in jail. Look, all brothers grow up and leave home. It's just that I grew up first.
Will you be allowed to stay in Canada? Suppose they say you can't.
That's all been taken care of. I've applied for immigrant status and I've been accepted. All I gotta do now is figure out a way to make a living.
Peter?
Yeah?
Couldn't I come with you?
Finish your schooling first.
You sound just like Pop.
I won't allow it, do you hear? I will not allow it. Running off with your tail between your legs.
Look, insulting me isn't gonna do any good.
What are you expecting to say when I find out my oldest son is a draft dodger?
Peter, why did you have to die?
No pacifist? You're not against war. You're against this one because you don't want to get killed.
Well, what's wrong with not wanting to get killed?
Pretending you don't want to kill women and children in rice paddies. The truth is, you don't want to be killed in a rice paddy.
That makes me a coward in your eyes, eh? Some father.
What's so special about you? You won't be the only scared soldier in Uncle Sam's army.
Talked it all over with Doris. She'll come with me to Canada. I'll marry her, of course.
That's great. Congratulations.
There's nobody here.
No, please, don't. Come on, not here. Come on.
Where are we going? Where are you taking me?
Isn't this where he brought you? He brought you here, didn't he?